Good morning, students. Today, continuation of the chapter Rational and Irrational Number. First chapter. Here, the subheading is Irrational Numbers. What is the meaning of irrational numbers? Certain cases, we cannot find the exact value of square root or cube root of some numbers. That numbers is known as irrational numbers. And again, example of irrational numbers, root 2, root 3, root 5 and like that. Now, in the previous class, we learned about how to prove that root 2 is an irrational number. In that case, I gave one homework, root 5, to prove root 5 is irrational. Okay. Now, the next one is same irrational number continuation. Okay. First, all of you listen this. We know that root 2 is an irrational number. Then this root 2 means 1 root 2, isn't it? And the second one is 3 root 2 and 5 root 2. Here can you say what is the radical or the third? Z-U-R-T. The nth root of A is known as a Z. Now, here these are like terms, like surds. Understand? That means inside the root, we write the same number. Now listen to the next point is, we can add or subtract. Add or subtract only like surds. We can add or subtract only like surds. Surds means under the root sign, if you write the same number, then they are known as like. Understand? Therefore, can you say the answer 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2? 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2 means add the number part. What is the whole number part here? 3 and 5 are the whole number part. Therefore, what is 3 plus 5? 3 plus 5 is 8 root 2. Understand? Add the whole number, then put that root 2. Same way. Understand? Now, the next one is, can you say what is 8 root 5 plus 2 root 5? Here the radical or this third is root 5. Therefore, what is the answer? Root 5. Say the answer. 8 plus 2 is 10 root 5. The next one is subtraction. Same way, we can subtract only. See, we can subtract only like surds. That is, same 8 root 5 minus 2 root 5. Here the operation is minus. Then what is 8 minus 2? That is 6 root 5. Okay. Now another example, 11 root 3 minus 2 root 3. Say the answer. 11 minus 2 is 9 root 3. We can add or subtract only like terms. But we can multiply. Unlike surds. For example, root 2 into root 3. What is root 2 into root 3? The numbers are here 2 and this is 3. Multiply root 6. Just multiply the inner terms. Okay. Then say the answer root 11 plus root 5. That is also root 55. Then one more example. Root 8 into root 2. What is the answer? Root 8 into root 2. 8 2s are 16. Root 16. Can you say what is root 16? Root 16 is plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 4. Listen, we can multiply, but we cannot add or subtract. Now listen, the next point. Next point is, listen, what is A plus B into A minus B identity? What is A plus B into A minus B identity? That is A square minus B square. Isn't it? We already studied that. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Isn't it? First term square minus second term square, or the factorization of A square. That's the reverse. Factorization of A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. Now listen the operation here. 2 plus root 3. Root 3 is an irrational number. Listen this carefully. Listen. Here root 3 is an irrational number. When we add 2 to this irrational number, therefore the total is also an irrational number. 2 plus root 3 is also an irrational number. Then the conjugate, next word, right? Conjugate, C-O-N-J-U. Conjugate. Conjugate of 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. What's the conjugate of 2 plus root 3? That is 2 minus root 3. Understand? Now, this is of the form A plus B into A minus B. Then can you say what is the answer? A plus B into A minus B? 2 square minus root 3 square. What is 2 square? 2 into 2, 4 minus, can you say, look here, root 3 into root 3 is 3. Actually root 9, what is root 9? 3. Then root 3 into root 3 is 3. Then what is root 5 into root 5? 5. Root 7 into root 7? 7. Root 8 into root 8? 8. Listen. Now, 2 square is 4 minus root 3 into root 3. That is the meaning root 3 square. That is 3. Then what is 4 minus 3? Say the answer. What is 4 minus 3? Yes, 1. Or in another way, we can multiply this. Just listen for easy calculation. Multiply the first to 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2? 4. Plus into minus, minus. Root 3 into root 3. We can avoid this step. Understand? Once again, 8 plus root 5 into its conjugate. 8 minus root 5. Then only we can apply this method. Okay? Then 8 plus root 5 into 8 minus root 5 is of this form. Then how can you do it easily? 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64 minus root 5 into root 5, 5. What is 64 minus 5? Very good. 50. Then one more question. 7 plus root 5 into 7 minus root 5. Do it. Do it. What is 7 plus root 5 into 7 minus root 5? That is 7 7s are 49 minus root 5 into root 5 is 5. What is 49 minus 5? That is 44. Very good. Okay. Now, write the next one. Next one. Then, next to multiplication. Can you say what is x plus a into x plus b? X plus a into x plus b multiplication. How can you operate? This x x into, look at the step, x into x plus b plus a into x plus b. Agree? How can you multiply x plus a into x plus b? Once again, look at the board. X into x plus b. Here the middle sign is plus. Therefore, we put plus. Otherwise, you put minus. Plus into a into x plus b. Now, open the bracket. What is x into x? X square plus x into b. Bx plus a into x. Ax plus ab. Isn't it? Now, this x square, these are like terms. Agree? Like terms. Here, x, x. Therefore, we can take that x outside, x into a plus b plus ab, or a plus b into x. Now, listen one question. 3 plus root 2 into 5 plus root 3. This is my question. Multiply 3 plus root 2 into 5 plus root 3. This is only basics. Understand? 3 into, operate it. 3 into 5 plus root 3 plus root 2 into 5 plus root 3. Agree? Then multiply inner multiplication. 3 5s are 15 plus 3 into root 3. 3 root 3 plus root 2 into 5. We can write 5 root 2 plus root 2 into root 3. We can write root 6. Here no like surds or like terms. Therefore, this is the final answer. That is the final answer. Okay. This is just multiplication. I know all of you understood these portions. Okay, just multiply the polynomials. Now, write the very important subheading. Right. Rationalization. Actually, in this section, the very important portion is that study rationalization and the first proof to prove root 2 is irrational, root 3 is irrational. Okay, study that. So here the main topic is rationalization. Write the heading. Write the heading. Rationalization. Rationalization. Then again write rationalize. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize. Question number 1. Question number 1. Look here. 1 by root 2. That is simple. 1 by root 2. Here, in this question, the denominator contains an irrational number. Our aim is to cancel the irrational number from the denominator. Our aim is to rationalize the denominator, means to cancel the irrational number from the denominator. For that, this is the question. Question number 1 is 1 by root 2. Then again you copy that 1 by root 2. Agree? Then multiply and divide. Listen. Multiply and divide by root 2 by root 2. Here the number is root 2. Therefore, multiply and divide. Then can you say what is 1 into root 2? What is 1 into root 2? Yes, root 2. Then can you say what is root 2 into root 2? Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Now, in the denominator, no irrational number. No irrational number. Write the next question. Very simple, isn't it? Yes. 1 by root 3. Say loudly, what is the step? First you copy 1 by root 3. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. Root 3 by root 3. Here the irrational number is root 3, therefore we multiply and divide. Okay, then what is 1 into root 3? Root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Yes, I will give you another example. Right, 1 by root 7, 1 by root 7, right? Then 1 by root 7 into, say loudly, what is the answer? I can hear. Say loudly. 1 by root 7 into root 7 by root 7. Very good. Root 7 by root 7. Therefore, the numerator is 1 into root 7, root 7, root 7 into root 7, 7. Final answer, root 7 by 7. Got it? Take a red pen and put a tick there. Root 7 by 7. And write there. Very good. Or draw a star there. Very good. Now, then what is the answer? 8 by root 2. Suppose in the numerator 1 8 is there. How can you do that? 8 by root 2. Yes, 8 by root 2 means 8 by root 2 we write first. Then root 2 by root 2. Here the denominator number is root 2. Therefore multiply and divide. If anyone asks you how to rationalize a number means, say the answer. Here the denominator is root 2. Therefore we multiply and divide by root 2. Therefore multiply. What is 8 into root 2? How can you write 8 into root 2? Yes, 8 into root 2 is 8 root 2. No other way. 8 into root 2 is 8 root 2. By root 2 into root 2. What is root 2 into root 2? 2. Now you can cancel this 2 and 4, 8, 4. Therefore the final answer is 4 root 2. 4 root 2. Now listen, type 2 questions. Right? This is type 1. Right there. Type 1. Then the next one is type 2. Right. Rationalize 1 by 2 plus root 3. Right? Rationalize 1 by 2 plus. Here the denominator is 2 plus root 3. Isn't it? Then take the conjugate of the denominator. What is the meaning? Conjugate. If it is 2 plus root 3, the conjugate is 2 minus root 3. If it is 2 minus root 3, the conjugate is 2 plus root 3. Therefore, again you repeat the question. 1 by 2 plus root 3 into. What's the conjugate? Write the word conjugate. In working column, write the, only in this question, right? Take the conjugate of the, write in words, take the conjugate of the denominator, take the conjugate of the denominator, multiply and divide. Multiply and divide means you put here in between into 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Here two terms, therefore you can put these brackets. Otherwise, some problems may occur. Okay. Then say the step. 1 into 2 minus root 3 is 2 minus root 3 by. Here, remember one thing. The denominator is always of the form a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. In another way, how can you write? All of you look at 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Minus root 3 into root 3, 3. Very simple. Therefore, the final answer is 2 minus root 3 by. Can you say what is 4 minus 3? 1. If the denominator is 1 means the answer is 2 minus root 3. Then, write next problem. Next problem, write down. Right. Next question of second type. 3 by. Right. 3 by. 7 minus root 3. 7 minus root 3. All of you copy the question once again. We are going to do the steps. Okay, 3 by 7 minus root 3. Here the denominator is 7 minus root 3. Then what's the conjugate of 7 minus root 3? 7 plus root 3. If the denominator is 7 minus root 3, the conjugate is 7 plus root 3. Then multiply 7 plus root 3. Then divide 7 plus root 3. Put bracket. Okay. Then 3 into that number we can write 3 into 7 plus root 3. By. Okay. 7 7s are 49 minus root 3 into root 3, 3. S square minus B square. Okay, that is 3 into 7 plus root 3 by 49 minus 3. What is 49 minus 3? 46. We cannot cancel here 3 and 46. Therefore, keep the answer in that form itself. 3 into 7 plus root 3 by 46. Then, next one. Right. Question number 3. What is 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2? Actually, this is type 3. Type 2, only these numbers on the numerator. Here, this is, you can write type 3. What's type 3? Of the form, here 2 rational numbers. Okay, 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. Can you start? In all the cases, step is same. What's the step? Take the conjugate of the denominator. Always copy this question one more time. 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. 3 minus root 2 is in the denominator. Take the conjugate of the denominator. That is 3 plus root 2 by 3 plus root 2. Put brackets. 3 plus root 2 into 3 plus root 2. What is a into a? A square. Therefore, 3 plus root 2 into 3 plus root 2 is 3 plus root 2 the whole square by. I already told you the denominator is always of the form a plus b into a minus b. 3 into 3 is 9 minus root 2 into root 2, 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. Okay. Now, three plus root 2 the whole square means, how can you do it? 3 plus root 2 the whole square. A plus b the whole square, no other way. A plus b the whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. I will repeat. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, or you can write a square plus b square plus 2ab. Anyway. First term square. First term square means 3 square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square by 9 minus 2 is 7. Write the steps. What is 3 square? 9. 2 3s are 6 root 2 plus root 2 square 2 by 7. All of you agree? 3 square 9 plus 3 2s are 6 root 2 plus 2. Okay. Write this. 9 plus 2. What is 9 plus 2? They are real numbers. 9 plus 2 is, look here. I will write here. 11 plus 6 root 2 by 7. We can write this as, separate the number and the irrational part separately. We can write this as first 11 by 7 plus second 6 by 7 root 2. That means in maths, a plus b by c we can write A by C plus B by C. A plus B by C, how can you write? A by C plus B by C. Therefore, this is 11 by 7 plus 6 by 7. Suppose your question is, this is actually rationalized. Suppose your question is, in one more step there, is given 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2 and equate that to A plus B root 2. This is of the form A plus B root 2. My question is, what is A? What is A? A means 11 by 7. What is B means 6 by 7. Equate that part separately. A means 11 by 7 and B means 6 by 7. Okay? Study well. God bless you.